How to check in and check out using Airbnb. Are guys facing issue to check in and check out on Airbnb application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To check in and check out smoothly on Airbnb, first of all, open Airbnb app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, make sure you are logged in into your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply tap on the trips, which is usually located at the right bottom of your screen. Just simply tap on trips. After clicking trips, select your current reservation. You will find your checklist in details such as exact check-in time, log box or smart lock code, Wi-Fi password, host contact info, and house rules. Follow the instruction when you arrive. Some places might require you to message the host once you enter. When it's time to check out, return to same trip page. Scroll to find checkout instructions. This will show you what the host expects like. Take out trash, put used towels in one place, lock the door before leaving. If anything is unclear, you can always tap message host for help. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna check in and check out using Airbnb application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.